Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a high quality small cap stock where the promoter Deepak Chimanlal Mehta and a promoter entity Skyrose Finvest Private Limited have acquired 3,27,000 shares respectively on August 20 and 21 from the open market. Now friends, if you want to go ahead and join our Telegram group where we go ahead and discuss profitable stock opportunities, please go ahead and open a completely free demat or trading account through the link present in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. On these groups, we have close to doubled our money on the trading group, whereas on the investing group, we have successfully outperformed the markets. You can also choose to become a member by clicking on the join button and becoming a YouTube channel member or by becoming a patron on Patreon. The link for all of these are present in the description of the video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Deepak Nitrite Limited, which is available at Rs 278.35 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is DEEPAKNTR. Now Deepak Nitrite Limited is a chemical manufacturing company and offers sodium nitrite to ethyl hexyl nitrate and optical brightening agents. The company's segments include bulk chemicals and commodities, fine and specialty chemicals, and fluorescent whitening agents. Now looking at the 1-year chart, even in the face of this market mayhem, the stock has stood strong. The market cap of the company is 3,796.50 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 16.39 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 16.98, which is slightly more expensive when compared with the industry PE of 12.56. The price to book ratio of 3.59 is also on the higher side. Now one concerning factor about this company is the debt to equity, which stands at 1.3564, whereas the return on equity is 0.1618. The promoter holding here is 44.85%, whereas none of the promoters holding is pledged. The dividend yield stands at 0.72%. Please be informed that this company has a lot of business tailwinds and hence it might be worth keeping a watch on this stock. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.